after a very, 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 very long wait, I have finally gotten all of Wave 2 of the Jazwares World of Five Nights at Freddy's figures. Now, this took me so long. When these released, all I could find was Freddy at Target. I got him the day they came out, and that was all I could find. I couldn't even find Bonnie in stores, so I had to pay like 30 bucks for him on my card. So yeah, guys, that's what we'll be doing today. Today I will be unboxing, going over, and reviewing all of Wave 2. This includes Freddy and Bonnie and the 3 office sets. I am sorry this video is taking so long, but if you guys do like the Jazwares content, I've done a bunch of news videos on when stuff gets announced, and I will keep doing that. And I also just put together a full video of me unboxing all of the Endo series and World of for Wave 1. So if you guys want to go check that out, I recommend. It's a fun video. It's a couple older videos. So, but yeah, guys, let's waste no more time. If you guys like FNAF, you guys like movies, games, shows, collectibles, I talk about all that here. And now, let's start off. I feel like we have to open up Freddy first. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to open all of these first, and then we'll go over to the review station and take a look at them. Ooh, we got Bonnie. Yes! So now we're actually going to open up the office sets. So we're going to start off with opening the Chica office set. Oh, okay. Now we're going to open up Foxy. He smells like a smoker's house. His leg popped off. Okay, last but not least, let's take a look at Golden Freddy. Okay, so I've gotten all of these open now. Now let's go over to the review station, build this office set, and take a look at all these figures. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much going to go in order of how I opened them. We're going to start off with Freddy himself. So taking a look, I think this figure looks phenomenal. They got the details down really well. I think the color looks great. With the Funko figures, they tried to make it like a lot more like dark and gritty. Ellie, can I do my... The Funko ones, they try to make it look more dark and gritty, but these ones are going for the more unwithered looks, and honestly, it's not that bad. Again, we already have the Funko ones, so it's fine, and the toy animatronics worked great for that, so I think it's fun to get these in just their normal type versions. Like I said, the detail is great. Only thing, he does have a really long nose, which is kind of weird. What I think is really cool, they actually have an accessory for him. He actually does come with a microphone. It's not as detailed, but it's still really cool that they gave these figures accessories finally. Maybe if they re-release the toy animatronics. But taking a look at articulation, the head does not move at all. The arms, they move like this, and it does have the jump scare effect, but you can still move the arms around, and these ones are a lot easier to do it with. I just shot the microphone out of his hand. So his arms also bend here at the elbows like this. The hands also swivel and move, and same for this one, but of course it's the holding hand. His legs do have the drop down ones. It's a little harder to do than the toy animatronics, but the leg goes up that much, back that much, and it swivels all the way around. These legs do pop off easily, so I recommend being careful. It does bend at the knees like this, and the feet just swivel around. I don't think... Oh, it does move a little bit, which is nice. We got to do the honors. We got to... Let's finally take a look at the jump scare effect. So that looks pretty good. They actually didn't give him the upper teeth that the Funko one for some reason has, so that's really nice. And now that we have Freddy here, let's actually take a look at him with Wave 1 Toy Freddy jump scare action. And yeah, you know what? These two look great together. I actually really like these World of figures. They're growing on me a lot more, especially with this Wave 2. I think they made it a lot better. And also, we got to take a look at Freddy with one of the rarest, bestest action figures I ever had. Snazzy Spider-Man. I think every figure I review, I'm gonna compare him to them. Kind of like Shardness Prime's Big Letdown Spider-Man. I mean, this doesn't compare to the Big Letdown Spider-Man at all. I mean, look at how snazzy he is with the boots. Shout out to my girlfriend for doing this, because holy... There he is with snazzy Spider-Man. So, now that we took a look at Freddy, let's also take a look at his other single packaged figure. We have the World of Bonnie figure. Now, I think this looks great. I think they got the color down amazing, because Bonnie is blue. Wait, Bonnie is blue? The detail looks great on him. Again, he's a lot more unwithered looking. Taking a look at the articulation, his arms. Ooh, his arms also do the same thing, but it's a lot harder to do than Freddy. They go up like this, down like that. Also move at the elbow, and the hands swivel all the way around, and they do move like that, and bend at the knees, and the feet move the exact same way. You can spin it all the way around. Sadly, he doesn't come the flick of the wrist. He sadly doesn't come with any accessories like Freddy did. We did not get his guitar, probably because of the whole copyright thing. Let's take a look at his jump scare effect. Yeah. I kind of wish his mouth moved more. I feel like the other ones, the toy ones, moved a lot more, like they opened up a lot more. And speaking of the toy ones, here he is with the toy Freddy. They look great together. I think it's really cool to see them both together. And of course, we gotta take a look at him. Here he is with Snazzy Spider-Man. Holy aura. Alright guys, so now that we've finished with the 2 single pack figures, we actually now have to take a look at the office set figures. So first, I want to take a look at the Chica figure. Now this figure looks absolutely amazing. Again, I think they got the look down amazing. The Let's Eat bib looks great. She has really cool details on her hands. They kind of pushed it out, which looks pretty cool. And of course, taking a look at the articulation, the arms move great like this. This is so easy to do and it doesn't mess it up at all. The arms move up like this, bend here. Oh, I didn't even mention with all of them, they also do swivel here. That's my bad. The hands also spin and again do the same thing. Drop down legs. They go up this much, back this much, and they can swivel all the way around. Bend at the knees right there, and the feet do move and they spin around. A little sad, no accessory. I don't know why she didn't get a cupcake accessory and only Freddy got a microphone. That kind of sucks. Here she is again with the Wave 1 toy Freddy, and of course here she is with Snazzy Spider-Man. But we also now have to take a look. No! Snazzy Spider-Man! No!
1 hour later.
Okay, like I said, here she is next to Snazzy Spider-Man. But now, let's take a look at Chica's side of the office set. So it comes with 2 different spots. We actually have the floor, which looks absolutely great. You got that checkered pattern, which is really cool. And then you also have this side of the door. So this, I think, it's gotta be, yeah, this is the left side of the door. So it should go like this, I think. Yeah, but it's kind of weirding me out because Chica would be on this side, Bonnie's on that side. So why didn't they put Bonnie in that side, Chica over here, and then Foxy? I don't know, whatever. I'm just nerding out. So taking a look at the actual door feature, I think, yeah, so if you hold the door button, you can lift it up. It then locks into place, and then when you press the door, oh, that's kind of weird. Okay, so when you press the light, so you hold the door button to pull it up, set it up, and then when you press the light, it closes. That is really cool, kind of weird. I feel like, I don't know. But then you also have this really cool window right here, and you can put your figures in there. It's really dark. Actually, let me get the flashlight over here. You can see the figures in there, even though Chica's not supposed to be on the side. That is still really cool. I hope I got the office on the right side. It's gotta be. So there's Chica's side of the office. Now let's actually take a look at Foxy's side of the office. But first of all, we got to take a look at this Foxy figure. You know what? For the most part, I think this figure looks fine. It's just that neck, man. This guy's got that hat guy neck, bro. Why the hell does it look like that? But other than that, I think the detail's fine with all the silver. I think, you know what? For the Endo series, it would be really annoying, but I think for this just World of figure, it's fine. Taking a look at the articulation, the arms do the spinny thing. It works well with him. Trying to get it back into place with him is kind of annoying, though, because he's not, as you can see, it's not really. His arms go up like this, a lot more limited to the other figures. It goes down like that, swivels here, bends here, hands move like this, and he does have his hook and it also moves the same way. Drop down legs will work really well. Legs go up that much. This one's a little loose, actually. This was the one that fell off when I was opening it. And back that much. And again, like I said, drop down legs. Also bends here. He can go both ways, though, which is kind of cool. He can look like a goat if you want him to. And his feet move a lot more than the other ones. And again, they spin around. Here he is with Toy Freddy himself, again from Wave 1. And of course, gotta take a look at him with Snazzy Spider-Man. Now, Foxy's got some drip down there, but I'm not gonna lie, it's not as snazzy as Spider-Man. Not gonna lie. Now, let's take a look at his side of the office set. So again, we have another one of these floor pieces right here, and as you can see, we have the other side of the office door, so it must go... Wait, this might be going on the wrong way. Now that I'm thinking... No, his probably just goes this way, right? I feel like... No, because this is weirding me out. Because, like, the door... So... No. Did I get, like, a... This is really confusing me. I don't know. The doors are the same way for some reason. Why the f***? Did I get like a package error or something? What the hell? These are both the left door. I don't even need it. It's the same thing. Did I get scammed? What the Foxy? Go in there, bro. This is a bullshit. What the? Let's just take a look at last but not least, we have Golden Freddy's office set. So taking a look, oh Foxy, get the fuck out. Taking a look at the Golden Freddy figure, he's great. He's just a recolor of Freddy, of course. But I think he looks fine. The yellow is very yellow. I think out of all the figures that shouldn't have been unwithered, it should have been him. He looks great. I'm not going to go over the articulation. It's the same thing, but he does have a microphone, but for some reason it's just all black. Let's take a look at his jump scare effects. So that is pretty cool. Now let's take a look at his office set. So he does have the flooring like this. This one goes in the middle, and he does have the middle of the office. First of all, before we get on, taking a look at the detail, you have the Celebrate poster, all the little kids' drawings, the wires coming down. You have the iconic fan, no cup sadly, but you have the cameras with actual like footage from the games. The more I look at it, some of these are from FNAF 2. This is the FNAF 1 office. I'm nerding out too much. So, you put his base thing in here. I don't know how I'm going to connect these now. So, here's Chica's that we put in here. We have this one. Wait, maybe I can just flip it around. Wait, maybe I was supposed to do that the whole time. Am I just an idiot? I can't. Oh, the mic is plugged. Sorry, guys. The audio is going to sound scratchy. This, like, I literally can't plug this in. Like, I literally got ripped off. I have 2 left doors. I sadly can't show you guys the full office, but you know what? We're gonna make it work. Alright, guys, so this is the best I could do. Here are all the figures in my scuffed office. Is Snazzy Spider-Man. This is the best I can do. I'm sorry. I don't know what else to do. I literally got ripped off, and I got 2 left doors. I don't know how that happens. I don't know. If anyone wants to sell me a right door and a right floor piece, that would be very appreciated. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for my unboxing and review of all of these figures. I'm sorry about the office set. I wanted to do like a fun little thing, putting it all together, but I got 2 left doors, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. The Macari people sadly ripped my ass off. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the review. This has been a long-awaited review, and I have another video idea with these figures and the Funko ones, so stay tuned for that if you guys like the Jazwares content. Make sure to comment W Snazzy Spider-Man and W girlfriend, because she snazzied him, and now we're using him in every review video. He's going to be in every review video. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the review, and what do you guys think of Wave 2 of the World of Jazwares FNAF figures?